L-Search.
Laut schnell irgendwas.
Warte, ich muss da noch was verändern. Ich brauch
Nee,
da...
nimm das doch, die ist doch gut. L-Search Split.
Ja, aber ich hab was.
Kannst du umbauen, wie du willst. B-Flash, KP-Flash.
Aber mach bei Enter at 2, please.
Enter. Also wenn es mir jetzt nicht gesagt hast, hätte ich nicht gemerkt, dass ich die falsche Bar hat.
Also die Adresse von dem Bild schon auch irgendwie komisch aus. Für was? Die Erd.
Stimmt schon.
Das ist Erd 8.
Ja.
Vielleicht 8.
Okay,
ja,
Okay,
fein.
vielleicht 3, okay.
Hat auch, das passt der Erde.
Oh nein, hat man gedacht, man braucht 9 für die Arbeit.
Gotti,
Ich hätte
you have
gedacht,
to
das
take
Ding,
the
was
first
wegen
flag.
Half Prayers wächst.
Ihr müsst gar nicht cool laufen eigentlich.
They
Aber
will dual flag, so ist der weg.
eigentlich könnt ihr...
They have a monk bagger, by the way.
Ja,
Monk assassin.
du Spirit stellen und get back dann.
They have
Was?
a monk
Don't
flagger.
worry.
Well, they have a
Die
monk on
splitten
number
so
8 anyway.
Wenn Splitten angehst, oder? So Backers ist egal.
Nein. They
Ja, aber dann sollten Necro und du backgehen, oder?
They're probably running a 2 LE build, I'm guessing.
Ja, falls irgendwas backen muss, drop einfach die Flagge.
If they run
Dann
to
ist
A,
Feuer
as we
und
descend
auf
with Wit and Necro.
Nö, das sind die Main.
Ob der Ball.
Rit Necro, they've got a Rit stand Rit.
Wir sollten stecken, denke ich, keine Ahnung.
yeah,
It's a
I'm
spike
back
build.
for the second flag.
Stick.
What the
Aegis,
fuck?
Croc,
It's a big
they have
spike
Shadow
build.
Shroud. They have Shadow Shroud.
Okay.
Kuna kapmena kätte.
What? Ist der nächste
Shame, Ali.
geworden?
Oh. With mine, they shot.
Typ, man
I'm
macht
gonna
den
run
Rito
the
Necro mit Resilient, weil so broken.
Oder du rennst dich schon.
Stand 5.
5, watch 5.
Die haben die Drop, ich glaub rein. Ich
Ah,
dachte,
ja.
die halten, weil die in Spikes sind.
Diversion.
Okay, Resilient number
Resilient.
2, please.
Ja.
Max, der Dreckslein.
Ah, pop shame.
Oh shit, okay. Sorry, I was waiting for diversion. My bad.
They're sending a warrior back to the base to the flag, I guess.
Yes, we have to push on.
Powers.
We shouldn't take a death like that again. We'll be fine as long as we don't get an unlucky diversion or shame.
They just
So, man.
fucking Shadow Shroud, man. Fuck.
I have to see.
Please.
They're sending Ellie back. He might be running flag.
Shame, Ali.
Wait, who's fucking
Aegis too.
us?
They're running flag on the Ellie. Diversion 7.
Watch Ali.
Sorry, one diversion left.
Ich hab einen Ranger da. und
Oh,
so.
der fehlt gar
Spike
nicht.
coming.
Okay.
Watch Ali.
Fuck.
Okay,
Jesus, man.
footmans are dead.
Nice.
Kill the flagger when he runs.
We're under like decent pressure. The next spike might go through.
Watch
They
one.
will get pressure. when they
Shame,
run
Ali,
the
watch
flagger.
one.
Anton, geh mal auf deren Ele.
Yeah, I'm on high set.
Ich kann ihn, ne?
Aegis Yoshi.
Nice, nice. They're gonna try and spike him again. I'm guessing.
He's double prime.
What the fuck? I have that anti-ench, whatever.
Yo, don't ball up, don't ball up,
Yeah,
don't ball
that's
up.
Shadow Shroud. That's what's gonna
That's
kill.
shadow.
Guys, leave the choke fast.
Watch Ali, I think. Never mind.
Watch.
Watch one.
It's just a
Fucking
matter of
Shadow
time before they
Shroud,
kill with this.
I go.
Can we rub the Shadow Shroud then?
Direkt
Or the Shadow
dein
Shroud?
Weg, oder Max? Was?
Watch him, Tommy.
Diversion und Ranger.
The 8 is coming from main team.
Nice save.
They're giving up back booties.
Yeah, Ellie is pushing into their base. To the front.
Yeah, because I'm balling.
Watch one. Shadow shot.
I'm not with him.
Come on.
Anything. I can't. We can't push like this. We can't push like this. If our number 8's gonna run
Really?
flag.
Why? There was nobody killing me. You...
It doesn't matter. It's just a threat of the Ellie coming back. It makes me have to follow it.
Shame, Ali.
Man kann auch.
You just won? No, never mind. Shadow Shroud.
Is that coming? It's on me.
Haben die schon Flag da, oder?
Ja, haben sie.
Wow, die blocken einfach jeden Spell, Alter.
Gonna strip then.
Holy gib mir.
Mann, wieso blocken die denn alles?
Shadows.
Das gibt's doch nicht!
Wing Shield Guardian.
Mann, nee.
Shame, Ali.
Shatter ist out.
Which one?
They're getting some pressure.
Shadow Shroud.
It's off.
Godly Spirit Bonding. Oh my good shot.
It's on me. It's on me. It's on me. 7. Oh shit.
Shall
Hip weapon, anything.
I pop shame. I pop shame.
We need a Rit here, because if I get Shadow Shrouded, I'm dead.
KD Ali.
We can't run a Rit.
Rest.
Go
Already
roast
used
it.
man.
Affected.
It's on Ali.
We have to
I'm
do
trying.
something.
All we need to do is not run a Rit and we're fine. We died because of Shadow Shroud, nothing else really.
Ja, ich kann an sich hier rennen, weil ich
Oh,
schon weiß.
I can
They
run.
shot my heal base.
Yeah, if you run on damage.
Weil
Summit,
einfach
7, 7, 7.
einfach durchlaufen,
Just keep a weapon on 7. I'm like the only guy that they can spike.
Division Ali.
Off alley.
What's they pushing for? Yoshi.
Pushing for number 8, I
What's
think.
Yoshi?
It should be fun.
Hey, just him in range.
We can dual run at least. So I'm getting new flag. We can push them.
Diversion.
Then flag advantage.
KD7. Shadow Shroud 7.
Come. They're sending a warrior back to their base.
To his front. He's got boss, by the way. So he's
Yeah.
really fast.
I'm
Flags
Tanduren's got
because of
flag,
that.
It's on
oder?
one. He's prodded.
Nein,
I
aber
went
ich kann
big
gleich
black.
laufen.
Der Version
Okay.
kann.
Diverted my patient.
Hallo?
What? The Ellie's going back to
I'm
the front.
talking to our elite.
Ich hab blind.
The Ellie's going back to the front.
I'm running our flag now.
No one can save you over here.
Das macht doch keinen
We can't save you.
Why?
Was?
Jetzt könnt ihr
Why?
aber trotzdem tot sein.
Das ist nicht meine Schuld, wenn du stirbst.
Just accept that we
Aber warum
can't
meinst du
and
Flags?
pull out when the warrior
Ich
collapses with
muss.
boss.
Wird dir doch gesagt.
Listen.
Ja.
Hey,
Keine
Clark,
Ahnung.
ist was?
Take the
Which one?
flag.
Which one?
I'm back.
We have
He
stand.
shot my RC.
Really sticky.
Yeah. Well, why do you tell me to run the flag then? That's not good.
Mit mal
Could have
Backup
had
haben.
our
Mann.
elite. They're gonna hold now.
Wir werden nicht halten können.
The
Flag
warrior's
didn't say
back.
anything about running flag.
No, you didn't. I'm talking to the guy who did it.
Aber
Did you
Jet,
see Yoshi? No. Fucking shadow.
And I actually said I'm gonna get new flag. Before we even cap.
Shame Ali.
Oh, shame. It's on me. Nice.
Lag.
I'm always diverted.
Can I give the flag to someone?
Which one, I think? Which one?
Jo,
Yeah,
gib's
to
mir.
me. Give it to me.
Oder?
At rate.
Ja.
Which are you? Nice.
8 shame. We're 7. Der Mesmus ist camping me.
Mann, es macht keinen Spaß gegen das Bild zu spielen, echt. Diversion got through.
Shadow shot 7. Nice.
Shame, Ali.
Shield Guardian erupted, I see out.
Back return.
Nice.
Okay, we
Nice.
gonna lose now. Get you on the
Watch 2 is front it. My aura's back.
Oh, sorry, I thought that was that.
Gonna strip that healer.
There, Ellie's bringing a flag in.
Aegis and time, I think. Which one?
watch 2.
7. Whew. 8 shame.
It's
Man, I can't tell when it's spiking. Getting difficult.
Yeah, they never spiked our ranger, so...
Watch 1.
Oh. Nice. Up alley.
Division Ali.
They will
Oh,
gonna,
it's fine.
they're gonna run flag, so.
Shame on me.
Accidentally shot.
Eyes!
I pop shame for that. Whoops, double infuse. I have no energy. Hi, side down.
Division.
Watch it.
Division.
I don't think I can even infuse the next stack.
Same. Incoming.
Shame Ali. Watch 5. 5.
Done two, I think. Oh no, never mind.
Watch Ali. Shot it.
Strip.
Holy shit, I infused that.
Nice. Yeah, really nice, man. AOS on 1.
I'm still in high set. Doesn't.
M-Talk wieder auf den Ele, bitte.
watch out, they're coming back.
Yeah, watch it.
They're all pulling back,
Guys,
yeah.
don't push in, just wait for the boost. We have still DP on everyone.
Lag.
But
Wir haben
our
das
split
echt
should go back.
schon mal postet.
Right.
Ich glaube, es wäre gar nicht so
Gonna
schlecht,
leave
wenn ich
our
ins
flag
8 auch komme. Der Monk
Ja,
bringt
Mann.
nicht wirklich viel von einem. Irgendwo ist ja.
Done 7. Nice.
Nein, die haben keinen Snap.
Shame.
Watch 2.
I don't want to pop it.
Hold on.
He's standing on high ground right now, so you can call.
Diverted my heal best.
Oh, that's not good, isn't it?
It's not good. I'm watching you. You're fine.
Nice work.
Als was callen wollt.
They're running 2 out base.
Diversion on me.
He can return our flag actually.
He will return the flag, but whatever.
Help with number 1.
Alright,
Then
I'm
he
pulling
don't
back then.
know.
I'm pulling towards Abbas. Actually, no, number 8's over there. You should be fine over here. Off alley.
Just don't let them run the flag and
Yeah,
it's
don't
fine.
get caught, Yoshi. I got shadow shot.
Yeah, I see it.
Hier, M-Town, geh da schnell drauf. M-Town, geh da drauf.
Done
Wow, he
2,
blocked
done
it.
2, I think.
Spirit bomb 2.
Drivers. Same coming.
Shame. Popped.
Sorry, fuck, I didn't think it was still coming.
Oh, we're boosting, it's fine.
M-Town, geh wieder auf den Ritu, geh wieder auf den Ritu.
Ah, ich werd
Oh,
gelinebackt.
ist
Watch
wild.
2.
Done 2.
Yeah, Spirit shadow shot.
Getting new flag.
Division alley.
Moving.
Aegis.
Nice.
Shame alley, watch 2. Division alley.
Not removing.
Watch 2. Oh, can you stop, please?
Aegis 2.
Watch.
He will probably
No.
spike me when I'm coming with flag.
Alright.
Watch
Watch
2.
2.
Or not. They're falling back.
Whoops, infused that way too early.
Shots.
Cold spirit bomb, mate.
Man hat doch einen Bot.
They got Warrior going to the front.
Poison.
No, they don't.
Alright, yeah, he's stopped, he's
Watch
stopped.
2. Anyways, 2. There's a warrior collapsing now. Warrior collapsing. Warrior's collapsing.
Yeah.
Ellie's collapsing as well.
I'm gonna push up. Alright,
Shadow. 6 off.
Shame money.
I've pushed up. He could find.
Okay. I'm gonna AOS.
Is that coming? Tommy.
Calls
They're
on
running.
eure Targets, ich mach meine Skills.
The warrior is running. The boss
Du
warrior.
kannst mit deinen Skills auf den Mesmer spammen.
Ja,
Oh, the boss warrior's running. Easy.
Yeah. That's good.
Okay, normal. Super free.
Watch 4.
Off.
Watch 4. I have shame.
Yeah.
Max.
Fucking Linebacker.
Händen erhalten. Also nett, damit er
Oh,
ziemlich
fucking
He just.
Linebacker.
Guys, I guess we can't take in the knights, right?
I think we
Yeah, we
can.
can.
Spike coming. They're doing a spike. In like a couple seconds. Some 2.
It's on alley, I think.
Yeah, it's on alley. 8 shame.
Oops, but my combo facade.
Came in really late. Diversion. I'm popping
on.
it. Fuck
It'll
it.
be on M Town.
Yeah.
Oh,
Nice.
shame alley.
Spike coming. He put up cliff.
Mann, der ist heute sehr wert.
Okay, we have knights in obviously.
It's on me.
He just. Oh, yeah, shadow shot.
Damage here, strip if anything's coming, strip.
Yeah, I can strip.
Diverted my patient.
He just M Town.
Nice.
Nice.
Rücken geben mir Stab, wir haben Brocken, nein.
5. He's a shadow shot.
The version coming.
Version 7.
Nice. I'm dead. Watch
Champ down, Spellbound.
Ich passe noch einen zweiten Knight auf.
They try to split up a ranger.
Nice catch.
Jorik ist hinterher.
Mhm. Der hat Anti-Blindheit.
Ja, ich renn mit.
Nicht, dass ich mich killen könnte, aber.
Oh fuck.
Oh, I thought you were going that way, Ali. I can get that way, I can get that way, I can get that way.
dead.
Okay.
Wow, weil er mich bullstrike, weil mein Escape nicht funktioniert.
I'm gonna raise you because
They're
you're
pushing flag out front with an alley.
The range is still running to our base.
With
Well,
your
my
with
raise
your
is
Really?
complicated.
When you res, you can deal with that ranger.
Der Ranger.
I need a weapon on 7.
I'm with
Auf 8.
Ich hab halt 5 Mana. Aber es dürfte trotzdem passen.
Warrior's going to our base with boss through the back. I don't know where most of the damage is, I think it's in our base.
I'm with the alley up now.
Right, they've got an alley going, a monk going to our back. I've got,
They
I'm
got
with
left the flag now.
2 damage
Der
characters, enough round.
ist.
Yeah, I'm with.
Komm, so ein Knight. Waldi, wo bist du?
Yeah.
Ich bin der...
You have no monks over here.
Der ist jetzt safe sein.
Ali, we have to fall back.
Meine Güte,
Oder
ey,
so
das
safe
wäre
was?
so lachhaft.
Wieso sterben wir jetzt wieder überall?
Ja, weil kein Hilfe
There's
raus.
nothing else.
I'm running them.
They've got 3 guys running into our back. Can we get a res up in our warrior? Dead in their base?
Ah, we can't rush them.
Keine Ahnung, wieso wir aus dem Base rausrennen.
Wenn die
Sie
Gegner
rausrennen.
lassen unsere Base rennen.
Ja, dann lass rausrennen.
Weil keiner deren Ranger gefollowt ist.
Get rid of flag.
Ich bin ihm gefollowt. Der hat 0 NPCs.
Guys, can I push the
Yeah, go, 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 go.
You should get back way, Ali. Since they have me 2 damage here.
Okay.
2 damage? Watch out,
Getting new flag.
everyone is getting into their base.
Yeah, they're pulling back to their front.
From main way. Get
Getting
out
new
if
flag.
you're in. Can we regroup please? Where is everyone?
Wir defenden uns, das passt schon.
They're sending a prot to split. They're sending prot to split. And they're running a flag with 1 monk at the front.
Well, I go
Well,
back, get the
Don't
new
push,
flag.
don't
Oh,
push.
I already have new flag.
Oh, you okay?
They're collapsing, you guys.
Joli, sag uns, dass du Hilfe brauchst.
Mhm.
Verstehst
Yes.
immer noch nicht,
They're
wieso wir aus
pushing
dem
in back
Base
way.
raus sind.
Hey,
They're
komm.
pushing in.
More people.
Right, they've got 1 monk at the back. They've got 2 monks at the front. They're gonna try and
There's
push this
only
flag
2
in.
damage, right?
Yeah, 2 damage.
Oh, I see. Yeah,
Dann wir einfach wieder in deren Base rein.
I'm going to
Was
the
wir
main
dagegen
team.
machen.
I'm going to the main team, this is pointless.
I'm here. I'm here, Yoshi.
Fuck.
What do we do here? Where is the main? Is it in our
The main team is in their pit,
Ali, go to main.
just in
No,
front of
no,
the pit.
I'm talking about.
But can we just push here?
Yeah,
Can,
push in.
do we have
No,
to
you
go
don't have the
out?
prot. You don't have the
We have
prot.
to go
They're
out.
falling back
We have to get out.
Wir rennen einfach
Push
hinterher.
their
Hold
back
back.
way. We are getting.
Yeah, but Ali is out of position right now. He's running this down. We can
Shadow
Okay,
shot him.
everyone get out.
Whoops, strong person.
Please get out.
Onik, I think you're fucked.
Yeah, I'm very dead.
KD.
maybe rest in fast until Ali
Rest,
arrives.
rest.
Yeah, I'm almost
Posts
there.
in some seconds.
I'm K8 again. Shadow shot.
I'm here now.
Bad devil, rest please.
in our pot and
Because
we
they have the-
just go here.
Just follow
Yeah.
them. Like, don't go fucking normal way.
Can I just go Lord damage?
Ja, im
it's gonna
Turn
be Lord
haben wir schon eine
damage,
Knights. Beide.
Ich hab die Knights getötet.
I'll stay with main alley as long as they have damage main.
I stay
We
main.
have 3 damage at main, so I'm staying at main.
Range
Ja,
und
ja,
Markus
okay.
sollten kollapsen und vielleicht der Waldi.
I'm gonna follow
Oh,
this
no, we
blade.
don't. No, we don't. I'm leaving.
Monks?
Go kill them here now.
Their fuse is leaving. Can you hold it if I...
Yeah, I can hold it. I can hold it.
Let me know when I have to go out.
Yeah.
Können wir
Fuck,
Spike
that
kaufen?
trifft alles durch.
Ja.
Bin tot. Oh, nice.
Shame on me. I can hold this forever.
Okay, then I'm
They're
gonna
dying.
deal
They're dying.
Lord damage for 5 minutes.
Hey.
What
down.
the fuck? Lag. Lag.
Oh fuck, they still had a rest.
I can't do shit.
Their fuse is here right now.
Whoa.
You just got one monk and...
Yeah, just the port is defending. But it's a port, it's normal.
MG, wenn ihr nicht so accept an
Dann, wenn du im Port gehst, wobei... Part-Time bringt wahrscheinlich nichts.
Shit.
They're going for a lot damage.
We're probably gonna end it.
I have 0 mana. That's taking me out.
What?
I think I have
If
to
you can do
take
nothing else, just one the Lord.
Okay.
They're doing like no damage. What?
Well, we're
Just
doing
on
a
front
lot
of
damage.
the
They're dying.
Lord, and it's fine.
Yeah, of course.
Kill after
Dying.
time.
I get this.
Kill after time, because otherwise we need to
Dann,
go
das ist
out.
nur der Port, wenn du drauf gehst, geht er ziemlich sicher ein.
Yeah, just get energy back number 4, and when you have energy, they only have one monk here, so we can kill them.
Monk base
There's
rest.
something base
Monk
rest.
Okay, we
Yeah.
can't kill them
They
now.
will die.
That's
now.
fine though.
Okay, kill them. I come to main, They can't do anything here now.
You can stay on the Lord, M10.
Just do Lord damage.
Just stay on the Lord, dude.
Go for a lot damage. We are all coming.
Oh, the monk gave up anyway.
They build washed us, at least they try to.
I don't see how it's the build was if you play a spike versus a solo
Well,
split.
if you if you're playing with the main team red and taking out poison all the time,
Yeah, but
obviously had a plan.
nothing will
and
die on both sides, so whatever.